Hi guys, I believe you are doing well. And in this particular video, I want to develop a project on computer filepath. Okay, the only way you can understand computer filepath is to do what? Is when you work on it. Alright, so we're going to create a one-page website for the academy. Alright, before you carry out any of your projects, the client will definitely will give you what he needs to see on the site. So in this case, I am the client. Alright, I want to give you this particular folder called school. Inside it contains our building interior, our building exteriors, pictures for our building exteriors. And this is the content I want you to put on the site. I'll show you what it is. I also have pictures of my labs. This is the lab. These are the labs. I also have pictures of my system, what my systems look like. And I also have, let's say, laptop. Okay, let me delete this out. Let me assume this wasn't there. So this is what I want you to do for me. Use this content. Let me show you the content of what I'll provide this content for you as well, and give you an assignment to do. Alright? I need it to be in this format. You have an about us. Remember, the name of it is Web Development Academy. Okay? Good. This is an about us section. This is our goals. This is our facilities, what we have. And this is our building. Okay? These are labs and our computers. Alright? So I want you to present this in a web page. Of course, the first thing you need to do is come right here. Let's open a new window. I've been using this window to work on the previous one. To navigate through, easy process for you to understand computer filepath better. Don't save. So I want to make it of this window. So we open it as a folder. What folder is there? Account school. This folder. School is the parent folder. So this is going to appear in your VS Code. What is that? Index.html. Don't worry, cancel it. I'll create another index.html file. So I want you to understand that this is the parent folder, and inside the parent folder you have this building exterior and school building interior. So if you want to locate this file path, you only just need to be inside the parent folder before you get to it. If I close the parent folder, what happens? Those pictures closes. It tells that those pictures are inside what the parent folder. The picture are part of the parent folder. But if you want to access the computer labs, okay, let me see lab 1. If I want to access this picture, I need to be inside this lab 1. I need to go inside this lab 1. Okay, and where can lab 1 be found? Inside computer lab, which is also. So I need to make reference to this folder, make reference to this folder before making reference to this folder. So that's just the computer file path for you. Is it fine? So I now have my content, right? I've shown you my content. The next thing we proceed, I've shown you the content around about us, our goals, facilities, available, building labs, and the likes. So we'll proceed to creating an index.html file. And I don't want it to be inside this folder. I want it to be here in the parent folder. So what happens? I just go to the parent folder and create index.html file. Okay, it's now inside the parent folder. What it is, you can close it. The first thing I'll be doing is what h1. I'll use my h1 tag here, and what should be in the h1. This will be the h1. So as a web dev, when you're doing the front end, what we will be doing, you will basically copy and pasting, because your client will definitely give that to you. So paste this right here, just like where I give it to you. So I like us to include a HR element here, and the next thing will be a paragraph tag. And what is the paragraph I want to be inside here? That's h1. Let's do for this one. If this is h1, this other one should be h2. I'm sure you're quite following. So not from h1, now gonna start h2. So from here we can include a h2 element, and what should be inside the h2 is this about us section. So let's do a copy and paste. We also need to include what? Our HR horizontal element. Then we now have our paragraph element. So what should be the paragraph for you? Come here, copy. Okay. What should be? So when we've done that, can we have a preview of it? Yeah. Alright, everything is fine. Everything is fine. Does it necessarily need to be? Okay. Remember, one of the rules of HTML is that each of our lines of code appears as a block. So don't come to this place and say, okay, because it's too lengthy, let me take it to the side. No. It doesn't make your code follow the standard of HTML code. So each of your codes appears as what? A block with the elements, with the HTML elements involved. Okay? So we included a paragraph tag for this one. Now what we need to go to is our goals. So this will be another h2. I'm not going to put it at h3. This will be another h2. Okay, contribute our goals. Then we can include a horizontal element here, and also include a paragraph here. So it's basically about understanding what the code does instead of cramming a code. Alright, I'm sure you will me. I'll paste it right here. Now watch what happens. I told you earlier this code appears as block level elements. This is like a block of a particular code. This is like a block. This as well, there should be no space here. This as well is another block, another line. This is another line. So you won't find this HR element in this particular place, or you find this one in this. So what in this particular H1 side, yeah, like this. So that's one of the rules of HTML, that all your codings appear as a block on top of each other. Alright? So you need to exhaust the wider space of this interface. Don't just stop here, you move to the next paragraph and the likes. So let's review what we've been doing so far. Good, I think we are good to go, yeah. So can you identify what should be needed here? From here like this, it's supposed to be what and on all the, is it on order? Yes, and ordered list. Why is it ordered? Because this number is sequence, they are in sequence. Okay, they are increasing according to their sequence. Okay,